Thank you. I'm Achola Ian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about the variation. To be more specific, I'm going to teach about the direct variation. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. So I'll be teaching you online, and I am also a teacher by profession. So I'm going to teach you the variation. Now, if a quantity y, if a quantity y varies directly as x, comma, colon, then mathematically y varies directly as x. So it implies that when you introduce an equal sign, y is equal to, we introduce something called a constant times x, where k is known as the constant of proportionality. K is known as the constant of proportionality. An example, we have P. Let me just write on this side. P varies directly as Q. Full stop. If P is equal to 8, Q is equal to 48. Find column part A, the equation connecting P and Q. The equation connecting P and Q. P and Q. B. P when Q is equal to 50. P when Q is equal to 50. And C. Q when P is equal to 12. Now, P varies directly as Q. P varies directly. That is the direct variation now. P varies directly as Q. That one is now part A of the question. So introducing an equal sign, because P is varying directly as Q, we want to introduce an equal sign to bring the something called the constant of proportionality. So P is equal to KQ. But given that when P is equal to 8 is equal to K, the value of Q is equal to 48. Divide both sides by 48 by 48. So you find the value of K is equal to 1/6. The constant of proportionality in this case is 1/6. Now what is the equation connecting P and Q? So because P is equal to KQ, since P is equal to KQ, and the constant of proportionality from the constants given there, from the figures given, the values of P with corresponding values of Q is 1/6. P is equal to 1/6 multiplied by Q. Now this is the equation connecting P and Q. P is equal to 1/6 Q. Part B, find P when Q is equal to 50. So we need to do substitution in this question, because the equation connecting P and Q, we already have it. So we need to do for substitution to find the value of P. So P is equivalent to 1 over 6 multiplied by Q, which is 50, by 2, 3, by 2, 25. So the value of P is equal to 8 whole. This is 8 whole and 1 over 3. So this is the value of P when Q is equal to 50. And the last part of the question is Q when P is equal to 12. So Q when P is equivalent to 12. So Q, the equation connecting was P is equal to 1 over 6 Q. So if P is 12, 12 is equal to 1 over 6 times Q. So how do you get Q now? Because I already substituted P. And the coefficient of Q is a sixth, so we multiply both sides by the reciprocal of a sixth, which is 6 by 6. So the corresponding value of Q is equal to 72. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates, and thank you.
Yo, Motif, turn me up on them headphones, bro. What up?